To sew a traditional tailor's tack, to mark the dots that you can see on the pattern, I'm going to mark here and there to transfer the markings onto the fabric. You take a piece of thread and you double it through the needle, so you end up with a double thickness of thread through the needle. You then do a simple stitch. So there we go, we've got two threads that meet. We're going to do a simple stitch through both layers of fabric, because I've got two layers of fabric here. So I'm going to do a simple stitch in the line of where the stitching will be. So this is at the end of a dart. I'm going to go from one side of the black spot to the other. I need to leave enough thread to go through two thicknesses of fabric, and then I'm going to do another stitch immediately on top of that one. So that I will end up with it a loop like that, which is about the same length as the piece that I've left. I'm then going to cut that off, and I'm also going to cut the loop. So you end up with something that looks like whiskers. When you then want to mark the lower piece of fabric, when you've taken the pattern piece off and you've marked all your spots you need to mark, you lift the two pieces of fabric apart and cut very carefully between the two, keeping the points of your scissors well away from your fabric. And that way you've transferred your dot on the top through to the top layer of fabric and through to the bottom layer of fabric. Okay, you can stop